Have you ever noticed how some websites look fantastic, whether you're using a phone, tablet, or a large desktop monitor, but others, well, not so much? Tiny fonts, small images, and some elements that may overlap make these sites difficult to read. Want to create a website that can automatically adapt and rearrange its elements to look good on any screen size? Text, images, navigation, everything flows and adjusts. The one website, designed to look great everywhere. Watch this video to learn the rules of creating a responsive web design with Nicepage. This is a step-by-step guide on how to make your website not just mobile-friendly, but truly adaptable to any device. Let's start with the responsive concept. Run Nicepage. To understand how to create a responsive web design, it is important to understand what happens with your data in mobile views. In the Nicepage editor, there is a special area for switching mobile views. This allows for previewing and modifying the design for each specific view. And this is how your website will appear on various mobile devices and desktops. Let's review the responsive modes supported in Nicepage. Usually, your website's width shrinks, and the content blocks are stacked one on top of another. The first is the desktop view, which is commonly used in web design. The next is the laptop view. Then, the tablet view, horizontal or landscape phones, and finally, the vertical or portrait phones. You can also enable the large device view to accommodate monitors and devices with wider screens measuring 1,400 pixels or more. You can also modify the content area width for each screen view if needed. The easiest way to create responsive pages and blocks is with AI builders. Simply enter the site topic and a brief description, and you'll generate site pages, blocks, and text faster by automating design and content creation. All AI builders suggest design layouts that work well on all modern devices. The main adjustment rule for editing mobile views is to go from the widest desktop view to the narrowest phone portrait view. Modify mobile views one at a time, but always go from left to right. Do not edit views in the backward direction. Do not adjust modes chaotically. This will help you to avoid overlapping styles and instantly customize each subsequent mode. You can reset the responsive layouts at any time by clicking the Reset Responsive button in the Property panel for the selected block. Or switch the mobile views and click the Reset button there. In Nicepage, the secret to beautiful responsive design lies in its powerful grids. They're your foundation for layouts that truly adapt. If you add elements to a block without a grid, you can have issues while moving them freely in the responsive modes. How does the grid columns help with the mobile views? There is usually a lot of content data that does not fit on the phone screen, for example. Grid layouts are created so that if there is not enough screen width, the grid cells are automatically stacked one on top of another. In the Nicepage website builder, in the new block dialog, most pre-designed blocks already use the grid. Adding those blocks, you have no worries, as all mobile views are already done correctly and you do not have to do anything. Switching to the mobile views, we see the movement of the cells. We would like to mention that all editing features are supported across all mobile views. Let's switch to the phone landscape view. Change the crop of the image. Now, change the size of the heading. You can hide any layout elements, including the image cell, for a specific view, such as the phone landscape. It is also effortless to unhide this element back. Switch the positions of the cells in the same row if necessary. If you like this video, please click the like icon and subscribe to our channel to receive updates about new videos.